Hello and welcome. You will learn what is Keto Resources and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. What is keto diet? The keto diet is a fat-based, low-carbohydrate diet. It aids in the rapid and efficient burning of fats. Ketosis refers to the fat that the body burns when following a ketogenic diet. People with cancer, diabetes, polycystic ovarian syndrome, and even Alzheimer's illness have recently turned to the keto diet. Obese folks follow this diet plan as well. The keto diet triggers the ketosis process, which aids weight loss. This diet's major goal is to deprive the body of glucose obtained from carbs. This is where the term ketogenic diet comes from. So that the body can start utilizing alternative fuel, which is ketones found in fat. In the lack of glucose, which is essential for energy production, the body burns lipids, resulting in weight loss. What is Keto Resources? We may be familiar with the keto diet and believe we know everything there is to know about it. But there's still a lot more we need to know about this diet. That's exactly what Keto Resources intends to achieve. Keto Resources contains a wealth of information regarding the keto diet as well as other related topics. It's a step-by-step keto diet plan with several instructions, such as a food plan. It will help you get started on your keto adventure in the first month. This diet has a clear and well-defined framework that makes it simple and straightforward to follow. The amazing thing about Keto Tools is that it has a wide range of valuable articles and resources that you can utilize to easily implement this diet. To learn more about keto, go to this page and get the Keto Resources. Most importantly, it encourages you to stick to your diet. Maintaining your diet is critical, and this diet plan can help you accomplish so. As a consequence, the results from Keto Resources can be attained in just 28 days. The most surprising aspect of Keto Resources is that after you enter ketosis, you will feel less hungry. The appetite is restrained in this situation, and you don't have any food desires. It reduces food and calorie consumption by suppressing the appetite. While undesirable fat is removed from the body, Keto Resources helps to maintain higher levels of total lean muscle mass. Keto Resources is more than a diet. It's much more than a test. The 28-day meal plan will guide you through a simple keto diet journey. Features of Keto Resources. The Keto Resource 28-Day Keto Challenge is a comprehensive lifestyle change program that includes a 4-week diet plan to follow. Let's take a closer look at the details of this 4-week program to see whether it's the appropriate fit for you and your individual needs. Number 1. 4-Week Meal Guide. The main component of the 28-Day Keto Challenge is, obviously, the 28-day meal plan, which outlines exactly what you should consume at each meal for 4 weeks. The plan may be used in succession, so you can cycle through the 4-week regimen for as long as you want to stick to a keto diet. Number 2. Shopping lists. The plan contains shopping lists that you may take to the store with you in addition to the meal guide. These lists make planning for your new lifestyle less stressful than it would be otherwise, which may make a significant difference in how well you stick to the program when things become tough. Number 3. Keto Handbooks. Aside from food-related elements, the software also provides 10 distinct ketogenic diet instructions. Each of these tutorials is focused around a certain issue to help you understand more about keto and why it's essential. Let's take a look at the included guidelines and the information they include. Keto Fundamentals. The first section of the guide goes through the foundations of the keto diet, including what it is, how it works, and why it was created in the first place. It also contains a wealth of other useful information for keto newbies, such as success tips that will make the diet simpler to follow from the start. Eating well on keto. The meal planning portion of the program is covered in this booklet. Many recipes are featured in this 28-day meal plan calendar guide, including 10 breakfast recipes, 14 recipes for lunch, 14 delicious supper dishes. The companion planner will assist you in putting together your 4-week menu plan by allowing you to mix and match these meals. There are also some modifications to the meals offered that you may utilize to keep things interesting without breaking your diet. Staying in ketosis. While following the keto diet, staying in a state of ketosis is critical to losing weight and becoming healthy. Ketosis occurs when your body begins to burn fat for energy, and it is a significant reason why many have had such remarkable success with this diet. This tutorial will show you how to fast enter into ketosis, how to stay in ketosis, and what else to keep in mind along the process. Mastering macros. Another aspect to sticking to a ketogenic diet is balancing your macronutrients to ensure that you are consuming the right breakdown of food categories. Those new to the keto diet may not be familiar with macros, but this guide can assist. Beating the keto flu. Keto flu is a collection of adverse symptoms that some people experience when they first start following a ketogenic diet, and it may be a major turnoff for some. This tutorial will explain why you're feeling nauseous and how to get rid of it quickly. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can help you lose weight quickly while sticking to a keto diet. This tutorial will walk you through 5 different intermittent fasting regimens that you may employ in combination with a keto diet to help you lose the most weight. Social situations. Everyone understands how unpleasant it may be to go on a date or hang out with friends while on a tight diet. This tutorial will provide you some pointers on how to handle certain circumstances. No guilt desserts. As previously said, you may have dessert while adhering to the keto diet. This section of the book concentrates on the many varieties of desserts you may taste. There are also 36 dessert recipes included. Delicious avocado recipes. Avocados have a great macro breakdown for keto, thus they're frequently included in meal plans. This post will show you a few different ways to consume avocados to spice things up a little. Supplements guide. This post discusses 12 various keto supplements you may use to make the whole process more successful for individuals interested in pushing their keto diet even farther. How does Keto Resources work? You may keep using Keto Resources nourishment continuously, or use it as a weight loss diet for a limited time or both inside and outside the cycle. High-fat diets are required, as are proteins derived from moderate to poor carbohydrate sources. Vocal shares some advice on how to begin a keto diet. The first step is to educate yourself on carbs and healthy fats. Locate food for the meat and find the hidden sugar before you start playing with high-carb veggies in a natural neighborhood in a store. You shouldn't expect your sugar cravings to go away overnight. Instead, choose for keto-friendly treats like dark chocolate with peanut butter. The ketosis process causes ketone bodies to build up in the blood. Ketosis commonly arises when a person engages in or attempts to engage in really rigorous workouts. The best keto diet books demonstrate that if the diet is correctly chosen, blood ketones are retained and the brain uses ketones as fuel. According to specialists who produced the top keto diet books, a good ketogenic diet can help you lose weight while keeping your insulin levels in check. The ketone process differs from person to person, and the speed with which it begins is determined by parameters such as resting metabolism and body fat percentage. Who should buy the 28-Day Keto Challenge? This product should be considered by anybody interested in starting a ketogenic diet. It can be especially beneficial to people who are attempting to reduce weight or have previously failed at a keto diet. For the first month, you'll have a firm strategy and suggestions for sticking to your new diet. This is an excellent resource to utilize if you want to be healthier and happy. Is keto a good diet? Another issue some individuals may have is if keto has been proved to be a successful weight loss diet. When done correctly, keto can assist your body in losing weight in a healthy manner. Some studies show that you may lose weight without harming your body, which is especially true if you are overweight or obese. Due to the need to balance macronutrient levels, it is crucial to remember that following an excessive keto eating plan for a lengthy period of time is not suggested. However, with the right dietary plan, keto may be done on an irregular basis for years or even decades. Finally, you should always see a doctor or nutritionist before choosing whether or not a diet is right for you. It will guarantee that your health is not jeopardized, especially if you have underlying problems. Benefits of Keto Resources. Breakfast, a protein smoothie or scrambled eggs with avocado on the side, taking care of egg whites, which increase protein. Lunch, zucchini noodles with pesto and grilled fish, or a large salad with lots of dressing or avocado. Dinner, wild salmon with broccoli, kale, or spinach, roasted to replace any lost fat, or hearty mushroom soup, with vegetables, cream, and butter or bone broth to satisfy and fill me, or grass-fed beef in a low-carb wrap with a ton of roasted veggies. Dessert is a no-no. I tried to avoid eating after supper, although I would occasionally indulge in a no-sugar-added coconut bar. Nuts, dry cheese, jerky, or no-added sugar coconut chips are all good snacks. If I got hungry at midnight, I had 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Pros. Keto Resources is straightforward to comprehend and read. The projected weight reduction is in the 2 to 3 pound per week range, which is considered safe. Recipes that are simple to follow. Guides that are well organized. Food selections are diverse. There's a lot of more information here. Meal plans with structure were supplied. In a short period of time, you will see results. It's simple to follow, it's not overly strict. Money-back guarantee for 60 days. Digitally accessible from any location. Purchase made only once. Cons. This software cannot be accessed without an internet connection. This product is not appropriate for everyone. There is no physical copy of the book available. It's possible that you'll have keto flu side effects. Conclusion. There is currently a scarcity of studies on the ketogenic diet for weight loss. The majority of previous research had a limited number of participants, were short-term, 12 weeks or less, and did not include control groups. A ketogenic diet has been demonstrated to provide short-term weight reduction and improvements in total cholesterol, blood sugar, and blood pressure in certain persons. However, when compared to the results of traditional weight reduction programs, these outcomes after a year are not significantly different. Compliance may be challenging because of the elimination of multiple food categories and the possibility of unpleasant symptoms. The American Heart Association and the Dietary Guidelines for Americans both advocate avoiding foods high in saturated fat, which may have negative impacts on blood LDL cholesterol. However, you may change your diet to include more low-saturated fat items like olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. Some people who have struggled to lose weight with traditional techniques may benefit from a ketogenic diet. Because of their genetic makeup and body composition, the exact ratio of fat, carbohydrate, and protein required to attain health advantages varies by people. As a result, the 28-day Keto Challenge will give you with a wealth of materials to assist you transition to a ketogenic diet. This data can provide you with the facts and resources you need to maintain your diet for years to come. It is jam-packed with helpful hints and information that will benefit you in the long run. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your Keto Resources today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.